Good evening, guys. This is Smart Money Trader with the midweek review on gold analysis. Let's just go through the disclaimer first. This video is for educational purpose only. Whatever we discuss here should not be deemed as a trader advice or investment idea. If it happens that you trade this idea, you'll be doing it at your own will, and you will not be liable for any loss that will be incurred. Just know that trading forex carries a very high risk, so seek professional advice before you invest in. So let's look at our chart. What has been happening? On Sunday, I wanted gold to reach around these levels, then drop lower. Let me just put back the levels. I wanted gold to reach this level of this one here on Sun, as I mentioned in Sunday review, that gold should rally back, reach this level, and drop to take out the fall. So far, it just went back, but fell short to reach these levels here, then just rejected. So now what we have is we had a retracement, then a drop lower. As we anticipating that gold is bearish, it should reach these levels. So for it to continue going lower, I don't want it to take out this highs. I just want it to continue going lower. Tomorrow we have NFP, so I think this level will be reached. 1670 level will be reached, and then here we have our weekly levels that can support price, that could provide us with a retracement higher. So for tomorrow, I'll be looking at this level here. We have a low. This is the weekly, previous week low. So I'll be looking at this level. So I'll be looking for this level to be retested and continue lower. For you to know this levels, just look at the Sunday market forecast, then you see these levels from that video. Then when you drop to 4-hour chart, let's drop to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we have created an order block here, so I think we don't have a retracement around to this level. Let's mark this level on the 4-hour. And we're gonna retrace to 1708, and then we continue going lower. If not reaches this level, you see price. As you can see, breaking lower, retrace, break lower, retrace, and break lower. We need another retracement and we continue going lower. And from the hourly chart, let's see what we have in the hourly chart. Yes. So on the hourly chart, we have this daily break, previous day low, this video. So I think we're gonna retrace to this level. We might find our sell orders here, then you continue going lower. I think that is the always goal. I don't want it to break this high. I don't want it to break this high and think about it. Because once it does that, it might change the direction. So we are still bearish on gold. We want this retracement back here, and then we continue going lower. Thank you guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get notified when we upload our videos. I'll see you on Sunday with the next week's forecast. Enjoy your trading, guys. Thank you.